For every birthday, Hema's parents put as much money in rupees in a piggy bank as her age in years. There are rupees 36 total in the piggy bank. How old is she? And then you are given four options. Understanding of this question is very important to solve it correctly. For every birthday, Hema's parents put as much money in rupees in a piggy bank as her age in years. Then suppose Hima's age is 1. So this is age is 1 year. So amount of money in rupees. It is told that in rupees in a piggy bank. So there is a piggy bank where Hima's parents put money which is equal to the age of Hima. So in the first birthday of Hima, the money put into the piggy bank by her parent is rupee 1. When her age is 2 years, on her second birthday, the money put into the piggy bank is rupees 2. 3 is 3. The fourth birthday, the money put into the piggy bank is 4. Fifth birthday is rupees 5. Sixth birthday is 6. Seventh birthday is rupees 7. Eighth birthday it's rupees 8. Ninth birthday is rupees 9. 10th birthday is rupees 10, and so on. This will go on. Now the question being asked is there are total rupees 30 in the piggy bank. There are rupees 36 total in the piggy bank. How old is she? So first of all, you have to understand that to find out the total money on any given birthday is to be found by adding that money in the piggy bank. So suppose in the second birthday, during second birthday, the amount of money will be 1 plus 2 is 3. On the first birthday that was rupee 1. On second birthday the amount from the first year will get added to the amount that is added on her second birthday. Therefore, that will be equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. On her third birthday, rupees 3 was added to the piggy bank, and therefore 3 will get added to the last amount, which is equal to 3. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6. So this is the cumulative amount of money. Cumulative means the total amount of money that we are getting every year. So basically on any given year, if you need to find out how much amount is collected in the piggy bank, you have to add these numbers, and these numbers are nothing but the natural numbers. It's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, and it goes on. So during fourth year is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and that is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. You see, we are adding the amount which is put into the piggy bank this year to the last amount, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. On the 7th birthday you have 28 rupees in total, but you are asked about when, on which year it is going to be 36. So 7 years is not the answer. 6 years it's 21, it's also not the answer. So 28 plus 8 is equal to 36. You see that? Okay, we have got the answer here. If we add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, we get the sum 36. And here you see that there are rupees 36 total in the piggy bank, and we have arrived at the amount of 36 till 8th birthday. So Hema will be 8 years old. Now if you add further, you will get on the 9th birthday it will be 45 rupees. 9 years is not the answer. Anyway, we have arrived at the answer, that is rupees 36, and is gathered or collected in year 8 of Hima. So Hima, when she is 8 years old, there is an amount of rupees 36 in the piggy bank. So this is how you can arrive at this particular answer. So basically what we are doing, we are adding these numbers, adding these natural numbers. We are adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, which is equal to 36. Okay friends, so 36. So you got 36 in the year 8. So 8 years is the answer to this. Thank you. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Consider the same question we have discussed just now, that Hema's parents put in money each year, 1, 2, 3, and so on are the years, and their money put into the piggy bank, which is equal to the birthday. So basically, to find out the total amount, what we are doing, we are adding. To find out the total amount, we are adding the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and then we are checking whether the total amount is equal to 36 and in which year, and that is going to be the answer that we have discussed in my last video. But what if the sum goes up to 20, 15, and some bigger number? So how will you find out? So there is a formula which you will understand how that formula comes to find out the sum of n natural numbers. You can add these series 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to nth number. This n is any number, it may be 10, 11, 12, 3, any number. So then the sum of n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This may seem to be somewhat confusing to you, but the thing is that it's very easy. You see that this n is the number till which you have to add, and n plus 1 is the successor of that particular number, and you have to multiply these two numbers and divide by 2 to get the sum up to n number. So let us take an example that will make things clear. Suppose you need to add up to 3. 3 if you want to add, let me take a space over here. We are adding series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and get n numbers. Suppose you need to add up to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is easier, that sum up to 3 is 6. Now let us check whether we can arrive at the same answer using our formula. So here we say s up to 3 is equal to n, means here n will be equal to 3. N is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by, this will be equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 inside bracket will be equal to 4 divided by 2. So you see friends, 4 3s are 12 divided by 2. Yes, we got the same result which we did by manually adding those numbers. Let us have a check for 4 also. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So till 4 it's 10. So S4 up to n equal to 4 will be equal to 4 into the very next number of 4, which is equal to 5. N plus 1 is 5. 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 5s are 20. 4 into 5 divided by 2, or you can solve this by cancellation also. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So we got the same answer. We arrived. Now suppose, let us check one more. This will give you a much needed satisfaction. 10 plus 5 is 15. So S5 will be equal to 5 into 6, the very next number of, so this next number of 5. This is n, this is n plus 1, the whole divided by 2. So 5 6 are 30 divided by 2 is 15, or you can simply cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. One of the number will always be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. So 15, here also 15. So I hope you have satisfied yourself that this formula gives you the right answer. Now to arrive quickly at the solution from the given option, what you can do, given 6 years as one of the option, what we can do, we can find out till 6 years what will be the amount gathered inside the piggy bank. So 6 into 7, this is n, this is n plus 1 divided by 2, which will give you 6 sevens are 42 divided by 2, which is equal to 21. So this is not equal to 36. the sought value or the wanted value or the required value in the piggy bank. So this is not the answer. Coming to 7, 7 into 8 n, the very next number n plus 1 divided by 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 7s are 28. Again this is not equal to 36. This is not going to be the answer. 8 years. By now you should have figured out the answer without doing the calculation, because 28 plus rupees 8, which is put into the piggy bank in the 8th year, so 28 plus 8 is 36, so 8 should be the answer. Anyway, we will try to solve our formula way, which is equal to 8 into 9 by 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So you have arrived at the amount of rupees 36, which is there in the year 8 years. So 8 years is the right answer. I am not insisting you to use this formula if you do not understand, but this is very easy if you require to calculate the sum of first n natural numbers. Suppose you are given a question like this. This is question B. How much money will there be in the piggy bank on Hema's 11th birthday? So given this question, what you can do, you can add till 11 and arrive at the answer, and this will be little bit time consuming, but if you know the formula and you have done quite a practice with this formula, then you can arrive at the amount very easily. You see here n is equal to 11, so 11 into n plus 1 is 12, 11 plus 1 is 12, divided by, you see that this 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, and 11 into 6 is 66. So 66 rupees is the amount that will be collected in 11th birthday. So you can carry out any such addition. You will enjoy once you do this. Suppose it was asked up to 20th birthday. If it was asked up to 20th birthday, how much amount will be there in the piggy bank? We simply do 20 into 21 divided by 2. So this will be equal to 2 tens are 20, and the amount will be 21 into 10 is rupees 200. So I hope you have understood what I mean to say. The answer to this question is rupees 66. So if you practice this is quite easy, and it is always good to know such thing which makes your calculations faster. Thank you. Keep practicing with Decode Monk.